In this video, I will show you how to create a Bitcoin wallet secured by your Satochip smart card. Go to the Keys menu, then click on Add Key and select Add Key from a hardware. Next, choose Satochip. We assume that your Satochip is already initialized with a PIN code and a seed. Enter your PIN code, tap Proceed, and scan your card at the top of your phone. Wait until you see the blue check confirming success. Now you can add a description. It's useful when managing multiple keys. I will name this hardware key with the description, Satochip Hardware Wallet. At this stage, we still don't have a fully functional hardware wallet. We have just added the Satochip smart card as a signing key within the BitcoinKeeper app. Now let's create a new Bitcoin wallet and designate the Satochip as the single signing key. Select your Satochip signing device. This is where the description becomes helpful when identifying your key. Here again, you can provide a friendly name for your Bitcoin wallet. I'll name it My Bitcoin Sato. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional Bitcoin hardware wallet. Your keys are safely isolated inside the Satochip card.